how to optimize Black Myth Wukong on Steam Deck. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to optimize Black Myth Wukong on Steam Deck. Alright, so let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Black Myth Wukong app on your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign in to your account. Now after launching your app, pick the compatibility mode option. Set super resolution at 80 and choose FSR. Turn off frame generation. Use the low graphics preset. Set medium anti-aliasing and medium texture quality. Lower anti-aliasing to low for more frames per second, but medium is recommended for better visuals. Unlock the stone stance for help with boss fights. So that's basically how you can optimize Black Myth Wukong on Steam Deck. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.